Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually log in another account in your Amazon. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video. So to do so, first of all, you will simply just go to your Amazon app. Go ahead. As you can see, I'm here logged in with my current account, right? So if I want to log in another account, what I will have to do is tap on this profile icon below. You will tap on this few horizontal line given, tap on it, and then you will see this options, right? Simply tap on your settings option given, tap on it. Here you can see this, you have an option called sign out from your existing account and get logged in with another, or you can simply tap on the switch accounts option, tap on it, and here you can see you will have to add account. Simply tap on this add account option, and here you can enter a existing account's phone number or email right there. Tap on continue and you will enter your password just like you did before signing into your existing account, and then finally you will be able to sign in with that account. So that's how you can simply add another account in your Amazon. And yeah guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.